My Nissan Quest van door does not open. I hear this sound but it doesn't open. Let's fix it. I entered through the other door. Now I'm going to open that. To fix it, first we need to snap off this cover here. Alright, let's see if it will come with the hand here. Alright, I hear it's coming. Wow, that's easier than I thought. Easier than I thought. Only if you know how to do it. This whole cover is, so we just snap it off. I'm not able to take this one easily out, so I'm going to close this seat and see. Alright, I'm pushing this down so that I can easily get this out. Alright, I'm able to successfully remove this panel here. It's all rivets here, just plugged into these holes. So you just need to snap it out. There is no screws or anything here. Just snap it out. Then we need to take this thing out. Alright. Let's see if I can just stay like this. I don't want to peel up the whole thing here. So this is how it looks here, and one of the wires which pulls this door back is loose inside, so I need to reach it out inside with the hand, and that is like this. So what happened is that one came off of this thing, and that's why it's not able to pull. So it is inside here. It is inside here somewhere. So all I need to do is, this is outside loose, I just need to plug it in back in that hole, in that slot, so that this wire pulls it back successfully. This is what happening when I try to open. So I need to reach out a wire inside here. So on this door, in the back side here, I need to put my hand inside. I'll try to capture with camera and see if you can see that wire which is snapped out. Alright, this is the one inside here. If you see from here, this is how you have to keep your hand in, from this white thing here. And if you go in here, you can see this yellow thing. This is the one which snapped out. So I need to plug it in back in the hole here. So let me figure it out with the hand. There's a hole there. I can see this hole here. This is the yellow thing, this yellow thing that I need to snap into this hole here. So there is no view here at all. So let me see if I can do it. Wow, it is so difficult to plug that in. Alright, this is what I found. So instead of going from top of this, if it can go from below here, I was able to easily snap it into that hole, and it snapped in successfully here. See here, if I went from down here, then I was able to hold it and plug it into this hole now successfully. I just want to stick this one and try to open and see if it will work. I don't want this one to mess up when trying to open this. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that beauty here. I was able to fix myself, save dollars, subscribe. This would at least cost like $100 or more if you take it outside to fix it. So I was able to fix myself. Just open this thing, this door. You just open this cover here, then just open this thing, sticky thing, then you try to put it in, snap in the wire. That's it, boom, it's all ready to go. Thank you so much. Save dollars, subscribe, show love. Now let's close the cover here and let's try to stick this one in. Alright, let's push it in, then you just keep pushing until you hear the clicks. It has to click it in. There you go. 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 All right, it's all ready to go. Let's open one more time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.